giant ship engine failed. The ship's owners tried one expert after another, but none could fix it. Then they brought in an old man who had been fixing ships since he was young. He immediately went to work, inspecting the engine very carefully, top to bottom. Two of the ship's owners, men in expensive suits, watched with anxious and skeptical expressions. After looking things over, the old man reached into his bag and pulled out a small hammer. He gently tapped something. Instantly, the engine lurched into life. He carefully put his hammer away. The engine was fixed. A week later, the owners received a bill from the old man for $10,000. "What?" the owners exclaimed. "He hardly did anything." So they wrote the old man a note saying, "Please send us an itemized bill." The man sent a bill that read, "Tapping with a hammer, $2. Knowing where to tap, 1998 hills." Effort is important, but knowing where to make an effort makes all the difference. Keep studying hard. Don't give up.